How to reserve your username on WhatsApp. So first of all, launch WhatsApp application. From here, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Now go to Settings. From here, go ahead and tap on Account. From here, under your account, you'll see Username. Tap on it. So as you can see that this is the latest feature of WhatsApp. Now, your username will keep your phone number private from people who don't already know it. You can also add a key to control who contacts you by your username. So, go ahead and tap on Create Username option. Now, enter username according to your preference. Now, once you enter your username, make sure you create a unique username. Some usernames may have been taken, so create a unique username for your WhatsApp. After that, go ahead and tap on Save option. Now you can see that with that, you will successfully be able to reserve your username. So now after this, soon you can share your username instead of your phone number if you are connecting with someone new for the first time. After that, WhatsApp will let you know when your username is ready to use. Then just tap on Done. With that, you will successfully be able to reserve your username on WhatsApp. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.